Deleting your Snapchat account is a simple process, and here's how you can do it using your Android device. So first of all, open your Snapchat application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of your screen, and then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to access settings. From here, scroll down and go to Delete Account, that is below the My Reports option. Tap on it. Here, you have to re-log into your account. Once you log into your account, you will come across this Delete Account page where you have to again enter the password. And after that, click on Continue. Here, you can see the indication that your Snapchat account will be deactivated soon. So before you delete your account, you may consider downloading your data. If you want to keep your chats, memories, or other data, download it from Snapchat's Download My Data page before deleting your account. And if you change your mind within 30 days, simply log back into your Snapchat to restore your account. So during the 30-day period, your account will be inactive. Your friends won't be able to contact you or view your profile. And after 30 days, your account and all associated data will be permanently deleted. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.